Would you benefit from a system that allows you to oversee your facilities in real time and enhance their efficiency? Panorama Suite readily adapts to your need as your business changes. Panorama Suite allows you to effortlessly construct a long-term monitoring application. Implementing it is simple. Codra has set up a network of certified integrators to develop intuitive, ergonomic business applications. In particular, to design modern, intuitive HMIs. Panorama Suite incorporates built-in cybersecurity mechanisms based on proven IT technologies to help safeguard your systems. Panorama Suite allows you to centrally manage all your equipment and systems, integrating a wide range of communication protocols to ensure seamless operations. Additionally, you can incorporate third-party information sources to enhance the context of your operations. Panorama Suite combines innovative modules that streamline the management of your equipment and production systems. A geographical information system module, a comprehensive management module for contacting on-call service teams, a fully configurable, highly advanced alarm management module, a module for displaying real-time data using a 3D BIM model. Hence, Panorama Suite integrates a facility's operational data with its construction data, creating a true digital twin of your infrastructure. Panorama Suite enables you to have a broader perspective on your installations and production processes with its comprehensive management decision-making tool. How? Collect and organize all historical data, including previously unused data. Then, generate predefined, standardized reports to convert your operational data into valuable business insights. This approach allows you to optimize the long-term management of your installations and production processes. By identifying usage variations, you can quickly achieve your energy efficiency targets. Panorama Suite assists you in managing your business operations regardless of your sector or the size of your installations, from machine view to unified control center. Let's innovate together. Simply reach out to us if you'd like some help.